Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to only capture part of your screen using OBS. Now, before we get started, I will ask, if you end up liking this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps these videos do well in the algorithm. Without further ado, what you're going to want to do is look at your display capture source. So if I look here, you can see this is my display capture. It's showing my entire screen. Now, obviously, if you only want to capture one app, you can use something like the window capture, but I'll assume that that's not what you want to do, and instead you just want to capture a part of your screen. So what you're going to want to do is click on your source, then click on Filters, and that'll open up this menu right here. And in this menu, you're going to click the plus at the bottom left, and then click Crop/Pad. And now using this, if I, for example, only want the top right part of my screen, I can increase left to, let's say, 600 and bottom to 600, and that'll cut off the left and bottom. And then as you can see here, it's only showing the top right of my screen in here. And obviously in the background, I have this window capture source. And if I hide this, you can see it's only the top right of my screen. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.